Ladies and gentlemen, magandang gabi po. My name is Alvin R. Fausto and I'm your host for tonight. Pwede po ba palakpakan muna? Thank you so much, everyone. So, we are here in a momentous event because we are celebrating 80th birthday. Wow, imagine to reach 80 years old. That's a milestone by itself. And that deserves another round of applause. Palakpakan po namin si Mami Helen. Dahil grabe, naabot po niya itong milestone na to, which is the 80th birthday. Amazing. I can't imagine myself being 80. Let alone dancing Zumba. Grabe, no? Mami, ang sasabihin mo naman po ay puti ka. Sabihin mo, puti ka, puti ka, puti ka. Ayan! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, puti ka, puti ka, puti ka. Diba? Something. Since sabi ko nga po ay Zumba Queen ang ating birthday celebrator, why not dance the night out? So, with that being said, alam ko naman mga Zumba ang kayo, fanatics, ang hindi ba naman po ay ang pinakamagaling pong table, muna sa buffet. Alright? So, DJ,